We have another guest with us, Amit Rajan, the Managing Director of Prosfora Technologies.
Right, and let's talk to him about what's happened with Strides and how things are moving over there. Amit Rajan is with us. Amit, thanks so much for taking our time for us. Could you just start by, what's happened as far as Strides' warning letter is concerned? Have you read through the letter? What does it indicate?
Yeah, thanks, Pankaj. See, this warning letter was coming because OAI status by the FDA was already informed to Strides in the month of May. So OAI status means either you get a warning letter or you get an import alert. Thankfully, FDA has not announced an import alert for Strides because I presume that the site also supplies ibuprofen worldwide to all the pharma companies, including the innovators. So the ANDA will get stuck, and no ANDA approval will come, no ANDA reviews will be taken, and however the API supply looks like if there are not any specific problems will continue to happen in US. However, Pankaj, I can tell you that when sanity was coming back to Indian pharma, this is a huge trust deficit that has come because of the Strides. Strides, Biocon, Ranbaxy, Sun Pharma, Lupin, they are like bellwether company in India. And we did not expect this kind of inspection at Strides healthcare site.
Amit, recently there was this Goa facility of Lupin also which got classified as not lifting of Form 483, which had only two simple observations. This is a classic evidence that FDA has got stricter with the companies.
See, it's not stricter of the company. I tell you that it's like
the
trust
there?
deficit. It's like the trust deficit that's going on. Actually, see, Lupin issue is basically more on a science issue. I mean, they had to comply. They have to generate data like IPCA has been doing for last 2 years, and they have to submit the data. So, number of observations, as I've been discussing with you, doesn't matter with respect to FDA's action. However, the kind of observation that Strides has shown in the inspection is something which Indian pharma had forgotten or had stopped doing this for 4 or 5 years now. So I'm extremely surprised as to why who is handling QMS system at Strides, and this will be a huge setback to Indian pharma.
Right, Amit. Also, just a word on what's happening in the pharma in the US market. Are you seeing that prices are bottoming out in your interaction with various companies that you keep talking to? What is the sense that you get?
So this price bottoming out, yes, it goes on. Discussion keeps going on, but yeah, I tell you, for Indian US market for India is still a very profitable market. That's why, despite being screwed by FDA for so many number of times, nobody had decided not to go to US. But I can tell you one thing, incidentally, that there are two recent things that has happened in Indian pharma space vis-a-vis the US business. You see observations and companies like Strides, which have not performed well, and then they have got a huge setback. At the same time, if you look at recent news of Biocon getting 12 deficiencies at a Malaysian plant, please understand that the street has missed this information that Biocon Malaysia plant observation was based on the commitment from both Biocon and Mylan to shift their manufacturing of glargine insulin to Malaysia. So this was a response to a CRL that they got last year for Bangalore facility. And if this facility was not that good, which the 12 observation shows, this means that the Malaysian plant also is not ready to deliver commercial goods. And I can tell you for sure that their insulin glargine will get, the approval will get delayed.
Right, Amit. Thanks so much for that. Always good to get perspective from you. That was a pharma view coming in from Amit, especially on the regulatory side.